Okay. You gonna play with Zachary? You go. Zach, okay. You take it from her, because I'm not doing well. Uh-oh.
Bless you.
Bless you. Zachary, you're a bit...
You should take it in the throat and see if she brings you
I'm trying
back.
to grab it from her. She's not letting go. And it's going to rip the head off the thing if I keep holding any harder.
Good job, Bailey. Oh, good. Go get it, Bailey.
What's she going to bring it to? She going to bring it to you?
Well, that was fun. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah. Did you see her in the face, the tail?